And if you don't start investing, your money is quietly losing value while inflation works its magic. Scary, right? But imagine a future where your money works harder than you do, growing and building the life you've always dreamed of. Today, I'll show you 5 ridiculously simple steps to start investing, even if you're starting from scratch. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll wonder why you waited so long. Step 1. Define your why. Before diving into stocks, crypto, or ETFs, let's pause. Why do you want to invest? Is it to buy your dream home, retire early, or maybe just to stop worrying about unexpected expenses? Your why is your North Star, keeping you focused during market highs and lows. Investing without a goal is like throwing money at random and hoping it sticks. Spoiler, it won't. Take 60 seconds today to jot down your why. It'll save you years of frustration. Your why is powerful. But step 2 is where the magic really begins. Step 2, master the basics. Okay, investing might sound like a foreign language. Stocks, bonds, ETFs. Oh my. But here's the secret. You don't need to know everything to get started. You just need to know the basics. Learn the difference between stocks and bonds. Understand what risk really means. And know this. The biggest risk isn't losing money. It's not starting at all. Stay with me because step 3 is where we turn knowledge into action. Step 3, start small, start now. You don't need to be rich to start investing. Did you know you can start with as little as $5? Thanks to fractional shares and beginner-friendly apps, investing is more accessible than ever. Think of every dollar you invest as a seed for your financial freedom. Start small, but start now. The earlier you plant, the more time compound interest has to work its magic. Small investments are great, but step 4 is the key to long-term success. Step 4. Diversify your portfolio. Imagine putting all your eggs in one basket and then tripping. Not a good idea, right? The same goes for investing. Diversification, spreading your money across different types of investments, reduces risk and increases your chances of steady growth. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and index funds. And if you're unsure, many apps offer robo-advisors to do the heavy lifting for you. Stay tuned because step 5 ties everything together. Step 5. Automate and forget. Let's face it, life gets busy. The best way to stay consistent is to automate your investments. Set up monthly contributions to your investment account, even if it's just $50. Automation turns investing into a habit, not a chore. Automating eliminates the temptation to time the market. And remember, the market rewards patience. Time in the market beats timing the market every time. Closing. Voiceover. There you have it. 5 simple steps to start investing and take control of your financial future. But don't stop here. If you're ready to dive deeper, check out my video on the best investments for beginners in 2024. Click the link on your screen or in the description. Your future self will thank you.